Friends, today we are going to see how to make our these bolts in our this double bearing assembly. Now let's start it. You can see all dimensions are given here. So open CATIA, select plane and then exit to workbench. After that select hexagon from here. All dimensions are given. The dimension between one line to this second side is given as 7. Just zoom it and now exit to workbench. Use this pad command and given pad is of 4 mm. So enter it. After that select sketch on which we want to sketch. Take circle, make one circle and then the given diameter is of 4.5. After that exit to workbench and extend that circle by using pad command till 25 mm. After that now we have to give chamfer. We have to cut extra part from this side of bolt. Now select the plane which is going through this corner. You can see this plane is going through corner, but this plane is going through this edge. So don't select this plane. Select this plane and then go on surface. Sketch option. This is normal view and now use this projection command. Select this and this. After that go on this chamfer command. Select this line and this line and give some chamfer of 0.5. You can give it whatever you want, but I am giving it 0.5 because it's not given in figure. After that select this line and complete the entity that you have created here by yellow line. After that go on exit to workbench. Use this groove command so extra material will removed. Then you have to select axis. Here I selected axis. Take preview and then click on OK. So extra material removed from this bolt. Thank you so much guys.